Have you ever met someone who talks a lot about big plans but never actually does anything? It can be frustrating, right? Today, we're going to learn a perfect phrase for that situation. Understanding this idiom will help you challenge others to take action and prove you are serious about your own promises. It's a powerful tool for your English conversations. Let me tell you about a funny mistake my friend Tom made. He heard the phrase, "put your money where your mouth is," for the first time. Tom thought it meant he literally had to eat his cash. He stood there holding a dollar bill to his lips, looking very confused and silly. Of course, that is not what it means. Let's look at the real definition. Put your money where your mouth is means to support your stated opinion or promise with action or financial support. It is about stopping the talk and starting the work. It proves you are not just boasting. Now, let's see how it is used correctly. Imagine Sarah, who always says she cares about the environment. Instead of just talking, Sarah donated to a local park and spent her weekend planting trees. She really put her money where her mouth is. Here are some examples of how to use this phrase in sentences. If you think your team will win, why don't you put your money where your mouth is and make a bet? He talks about charity a lot, but today he finally put his money where his mouth is by volunteering. How can you remember this long phrase? Let's try a memory aid. Imagine your words are cheap, but action has value like money. Place the value money right next to your words mouth. Action equals value. Let's explore some interesting facts about this idiom. It is believed to have started in gambling in the United States around the 1930s or 40s. It literally meant you should put cash on the table if you were confident in your card game talk. Today, it applies to any promise, not just gambling. This phrase reflects a cultural value that actions speak louder than words. We respect people who do things, not just say things. Here are some similar phrases you might hear. First, walk the walk. Walk the talk or walk the walk means you do what you say you will do. It is very similar. An opposite phrase is all talk and no action. This describes someone who never keeps their promises. Be careful not to make this common mistake. Don't say, "put your money in your mouth." That would be dangerous and gross. The correct preposition is where, not in. Put your money where your mouth is. Now, a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. She talked about helping, so she put her money where her mouth is. B. She talked about helping, so she ate her money. The answer is A. She supported her words with action. B is definitely wrong. To recap, this idiom means backing up your words with actions. Using it shows you value integrity and results. Try using this idiom in your next conversation. It will make your English sound more natural and confident. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.